I have a super simple prompt that you can use to refine your personal brand. As a woman in business, defining your personal positioning is a must. Just like products have positioning statements that distinguish them from their competitors, as a woman in business or a woman entrepreneur, you also have to craft a unique identity that sets you apart. And personal branding definitely goes beyond like self-promotion. It's about discovering and embracing your essence and letting other people know about it. And for women, especially women of color, personal branding is even more important because in a society where gender biases and stereotypes often limit our opportunities, creating a strong personal brand can be a tool for our own empowerment. And the other thing is that your personal brand serves as a beacon, guiding others to recognize your strengths, your values, and your skills. It's, again, about your personal positioning and not just about standing out. It's about really creating a name for yourself and saying like, I'm here and I'm going to continue to be here and you're going to listen to me. Okay, so enough of the pep talk. Let's see how we can use whatever AI it is, whether it's Claude, Gemini, ChatGPT, Pi, blah, 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 whatever, to help you refine your personal brand. Okay, here's the first thing. I either might make this into slides or I'll just put the text on the screen. So first you have to give AI context. You have to say, you're a personal positioning GPT, a world-class audience building coach. You're well known for generating attention-grabbing personal positioning statements for whatever your profession is. And then you tell AI your goal. You say, help me with defining my personal positioning for my LinkedIn. My personal positioning should be connected to my audience context, problems, goals, and my background. This personal positioning will generate me followers and nudge people to buy my products or services. And then you have to give AI your format or kind of tell it what's going to happen. So here's the format. So first, I'll set the context of this exercise. You already did that. And then you're going to return me a list of 20 possible target audience segments for my niche. I'll pick one target audience segment. I'll tell you about my background. You'll ask me 3 questions to understand my background better. You'll generate 20 possible personal positioning variations. I'll pick one personal positioning. You'll suggest 20 possible key differentiators for my Twitter account or whatever LinkedIn account. I'll pick one key differentiator and you'll assemble my personal positioning in a 1-paragraph story that I will communicate to my LinkedIn followers. Then you kind of have to tell it like your target audience segments and criteria. So like target audience segment must be less than 3 words. Target audience segment must be big enough to get a significant following on LinkedIn. And then you have to talk about your personal positioning criteria. Personal positioning variation must not be longer than 10 words. Write personal positioning the way an actual human would. Cover different areas of my personal positioning. Don't focus on one template. Be creative. Your personal positioning options should be remarkable and attention-grabbing. Always start with a personal positioning structure. Follow me to plus whatever value I bring, and then you add in the key differentiator criteria. Key differentiator variation shouldn't be longer than 10 words. Key differentiator should be a unique content style. New content formats, unpopular angle of view, non-trivial visualization, that kind of thing. And then you can say something like, for example, I share science-based tips, or I use infographics and slides, something like that. Then you talk about the format of your interaction. So I'll let you know when we can proceed to the next step. Don't go there without my command. You'll rely on the context of this brainstorming session at every step. Then you fill in your niche and your tone of voice and kind of whatever other additional requests that you want to have. So let's kind of go through exactly how that's going to work. So I'm just going to switch to my webcam and we'll go from there. All right, we're in ChatGPT here, and I'm just going to go ahead and click. I put in the prompt. So we're going to go ahead and click. Let's see what ChatGPT has to say. All right, so I told it we did step 1 and now it's on to step 2. It's identified potential audience segments and it's given me 20. So I'm going to pick one. Let's go ahead and pick side hustlers, copy and paste. I know there's a faster way to do it. Don't come at me in the comments. We're just going to do it like this. Okay, next. I'm just going to go ahead and type in my background, skills and experience, and then we'll go from there. Just copied and pasted a writer bio that I use for one of my writing side gigs. Okay, so now you can see that ChatGPT has given me 2 possible responses. These are the 3 questions that we prompted it to ask. Okay, these are the 3 questions that I chose to answer. All right, so let's just go ahead and choose this one. I actually like this one. You know what? A lot of them are pretty good, but let's just go ahead and choose this one for these purposes. Let's see what ChatGPT sends back to us. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and pick this one. All right, let's see what it's going to give us. Okay, so follow me to unlock marketing secrets for hustlers. With a Bachelor of Business Administration and over 8 years of hands on experience in content marketing, SEO, and e commerce strategy, I specialize in helping side hustlers turn their passion projects into profitable ventures. Motivated by the belief that the freest type of woman is a financially empowered and independent woman, I offer no fluff marketing strategies that you can implement right away to grow your brand, be more efficient, and make more money. Whether you're looking to boost your side hustle income or achieve financial freedom, I'm here to provide proven tips and tactics that get results without wasting your time. So that's exactly how you can create this positioning statement. I hope it was useful. And if you want more no fluff marketing strategies, go ahead and like and subscribe. Okay, bye.